Easy fish pie, a tasty comfort food classic anyone can make. This simple recipe for your hearty family dinner is quick and easy to prepare. You'll love the satisfyingly creamy sauce in which fresh fish is lightly cooked. Take 1 kilogram of white potatoes, wash, and peel. Cut into chunks. Grate 250 milligrams of mature cheddar cheese. Bring potatoes to a boil and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until cooked through. Meanwhile, in a large saucepan, and gently heat 200 milliliters of full-fat milk. Put in 2 boneless salmon fillets, three to 5 boneless cod fillets, and cook over medium heat for 3 minutes. Add raw prawns in for the last minute of cooking. Place the fish and prawns on the plate. Keep the milk for the sauce preparation. Drain potatoes, add 100 milligrams of unsalted butter and 150 milligrams of warm, fresh milk. Mash with the potato masher. Remove skin from the fish if needed. Take a large skillet. Melt 100 to 150 milligrams of butter. Stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Melt grated cheese. Keep a little bit for adding at the top of the pie. Add in the reserved milk that you cooked the fish. Place the flaked fish and prawns in a large baking dish. Pour over the sauce. Top with mashed potatoes. Sprinkle over the remaining cheese. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes until cheese melts and becomes golden and bubbling at the edges. Serve with sweet corn. My kids loved this combo. Share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.